let's get started on some easy InstantPot pinto beans. All we're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of dried pinto beans, 4 cups of water, and then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, cumin, and red pepper flakes. So first we're going to just add in our seasonings. And we're going to add in our 1 cup of pinto beans. And we've got 4 cups of water. Now this follows along with the normal principle that when I'm using beans in the InstantPot from dry, I like to go 1 cup of beans to 4 cups of water. Alright, that looks like it got nice and mixed around in there. That should be good. All we're going to do is take our lid, set it for 30 minutes at a normal pressure, and we'll be right back when those are done. Okay, 30 minutes is up. I just got done quick releasing the InstantPot. We're going to open the lid and see what we have inside. Yeah, that smells so fantastic. And it looks like the beans are done. Now, I like my refried beans, not refried beans, but I like to make my refried beans with these pinto beans. But they've got a good texture on them. They're never going to be as solid as a black bean coming out of the InstantPot, but they look fantastic. I'm going to get things cleaned up in the kitchen. I think I might get a tortilla out and a little bit of spicy guacamole and try it with these beans. Alright, I am back from the kitchen. I ended up putting the pinto beans on a nice corn tortilla and then added a little bit of our spicy jalapeno lime guac, which the recipe is right above if you want to watch that one. But this is a really simple dish that we end up making at least a couple times a week. It's really quick to throw together. And if you don't have pinto beans and you got dry ones, 30 minutes later, you've got perfectly seasoned pinto beans. Now, we don't put salt in there. So if you're going to add a sauce or anything that has salt, you'll be fine. Add a little bit of salt to the flavor of it. But I'm going to give this a little go here. Really delicious. The beans get nice and tender in the InstantPot, and which is amazing for 30 minutes from being a dry bean, but they really do. A really lovely dish. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button, and if you want to see more awesome plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and hopefully I'll see you guys very soon.